How to get tax form from Coinbase. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to get your tax form from Coinbase. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and then type in coinbase.com. Enter your email address and password and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be on the home page, and in the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile. Next, go to Manage Profiles section and you will be directed to your profile page where you will see different sections on the left. Click on Taxes and this will take you to the summary page where you can find your tax form. Click on the option to go to Coin Tracker and you will be redirected to Coin Tracker's official website. And if you haven't created an account yet, do so now or log into your existing account. After that, enter your tax information to easily download your tax report and prepare your crypto taxes. And by clicking on the Documents option, you can view your previous transactions and statements, including your Coinbase Pro statements. And that's how you can easily obtain your tax form. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.